Welcome back to Forrenn Wraps. Today we have another project. It's the E60 M5. We're going to do 3-step correction and we're going to ceramic coat this car. We're using a new product. It's called Feynlab. It's also a 3-step application. So first is heel light, then we're going to do leveling, and then we're going to coat it with the top coat. First we're going to coat with the heel light, then we're going to use leveling aid, and then we're going to cover that with the top coat. Also, for the front, we're going to do PPF and vinyl ceramic.
I got that voodoo, bitch. I got that voodoo.
All right, so we are finished with the three-step correction and three-step ceramic coat application. Wyatt, tell me more about the whole process and how long did it take us, and just kind of run me through like what did we do to get this done.
So the first thing, we did a little bit longer of a wash than we normally do due to the fact that we had to chase a couple spots that we wanted to remove before we started the polishing, because it would have gone seen trapped underneath the ceramic itself. Once we did that, then the next step was the wet sanding on the top of the trunk. We decided to wet sand the top of the trunk due to there were scratches that were previously made by the spoiler, as well as a flat panel like that usually ended up having deeper scratches than anywhere else on the car. We got everything out that we wanted to. The next step, which that step itself took about 2 to 3 hours, the next step was polishing the rest of the car. Did a 3-step on the top surfaces due to they had a lot more scratches than the lower surfaces. Got that to near perfection, for close to what you can for a white car. After we did the 3-step polish, then we started the ceramic process itself. The ceramic we used was a self-healing. The self-healing ceramic is a complex ceramic application and should not be done unless you have experience with ceramics, due to the fact that you are waiting on a chemical change and you have to identify the chemical change. Otherwise, you will ruin the car, and you have to polish it off, and if you let it sit too long, you possibly have to wet sand the ceramic off. In this case, we didn't have any issues. We were able to catch it right on time. Did a 2-step initially for the ceramic process, waited the certain amount of time, and did the final step of the ceramic, which made this car look absolutely shiny and glossy and will bead water like crazy.
All right, stay tuned for more videos like this. Let us know in comments what would you like to see next. And don't forget to subscribe.
Foreign bitch, foreign beats, talking foreign shit. You make it rain, we foreign bitch. Rich lifestyle of Californians. Foreign whip, foreign bitch. Foreign beats, talking foreign shit. You make it rain, we foreign bitch. Rich lifestyle of Californians. Yeah. I got that voodoo, bitch. I got that voodoo. I got that voodoo, bitch. I got that voodoo. I got that voodoo, bitch. I got that voodoo. I got that voodoo. I got that voodoo, bitch. I got that voodoo. I got that voodoo, bitch. I got that voodoo. I got that voodoo, bitch. I got that voodoo. Smoking everywhere that I go. Pineapple OG. Listen.